Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into Move It Passenger and granting essential permissions so the app can locate you and send updates. Enter your phone number, confirm via SMS, and add a payment method. This enables instant booking. Once done, set a default home or work address to speed up future trips. Make sure to enable notifications and background location so you receive driver ETA and safety alerts without opening the app. This reduces missed rides and keeps everything running smoothly. You'll type or speak your pickup and destination, then review the suggested route and estimated fare. This is where you decide speed versus cost. Select a ride type depending on luggage or passenger count, and add stops or schedule the ride for later if needed. Once selected, preview driver rating and ETA, then confirm. Make sure to add driver notes for complex pickups, and use fare split or promo codes before requesting so charges are correct and predictable. You'll verify the vehicle and plate, then hop in for the trip while watching the live route to ensure efficiency. When you arrive, complete payment with the saved method, add a tip, and leave a rating. This improves service quality and logs the trip. If something goes wrong, use the trip history to view the receipt and report issues. Once done, restart the app or toggle location permissions if tracking is off, and contact support with the trip ID for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.